So how do I file an insurance claim on my house? Maybe you've gone through a storm recently, or a tree fell down and struck your home and you're not quite sure what to do. I just wanted to walk you through the steps to get an insurance claim to take care of those damages. The first thing really that you want to do if you want to file a claim on your house is your insurance company is going to have a procedure either contacting the agent or a claims hotline. So if you're with one of the larger insurance carriers, like maybe State Farm or one of the larger carriers that you see advertised on TV, they've probably got a hotline for you to call to file your claim. But if you're with one of the smaller local agencies that's around here, typically you're going to want to just reach out to the insurance agency that you work with. So you're going to want to call and tell them, hey, this is what's happened to my home. I'm missing some shingles, or a tree fell down and smashed my fence, or whatever the case may be. Also, before you do that, take a few pictures just so you have documentation of the damage. That really helps just bring some clarity if there's any questions that come up farther down the road. But call your agent or call that hotline, just tell them what happened and that you would like to start a claim. Now, if your home is in immediate threat of something urgent, so say a tree smashed the roof, and you're worried about water coming in the home, you can contact us and we can send someone out to tarp your roof. We do that as part of the process. Insurance companies usually will pay for roof tarping because they don't want you to have any further damage either. So get someone to secure your home and make sure the roof is secure and that no water or elements are going to get in. And then your next step would be wait for the adjuster to come out. So the insurance company is going to send a person called an adjuster to take a look at the damage, do an assessment, and they will let you know what next steps are. For many projects, the insurance company actually has pre-established pricing that they set to get your repairs taken care of. If it's kind of an obscure situation like a tree damaged some structure, or even tree damage itself can vary quite a bit. They might ask you to get some quotes from contractors. But for typical roof damage or siding damage, they actually have preset pricing that they pay for those types of claims. So the adjuster is going to come out, document all the damage, and they're going to put together a report that says, okay, this is the damage that we see. This is what we're willing to pay to have that taken care of. You're welcome to choose whatever contractor you want to take care of this work. What most reputable contractors are going to do is they're going to take a look at that report, make sure that you understand what the report means and what it includes or doesn't include, and make sure that what we call the scope of work that the adjuster laid out and what really needs to happen are matching. Adjusters are human just like everybody else. Sometimes they make mistakes. And so you want to make sure that your contractor reviews the scope of work that the adjusters laid out and make sure it's going to take care of everything that was damaged. For the most part, many insurance adjusters do a really great job of this and make sure that their clients are taken care of, but there are mistakes at times. So you want to make sure that you pick a contractor that's able to understand the insurance process. So the insurance company lets you pick whichever contractor you like. You want to make sure it's someone licensed, reputable, insured. We recommend using someone if it's for roofing or siding. Make sure that they're manufacturer certified to make sure that they can give you a warranty on the products that they're installing. And then the insurance company will cut you a check. If you have replacement cost value policy, they will give you a partial check up front for what's called the ACV. And we'll do a separate video explaining what all these terms mean. But they'll give you the ACV up front. Then after the work is finished, they will pay out either the balance of the RCV that they've agreed to pay out ahead of time, or the contractor's invoice, whichever is less. So sometimes people can get a little confused in the insurance scenario and think that they're supposed to pick the cheapest contractor. That's not true. As long as the insurance company has established the pricing or has agreed to the pricing, you can pick whoever you feel is reputable and who you're comfortable with. So again, just to summarize real quick, if you have damage to your home, just quick document that damage with some photos. Make sure your house is secure. contact your agent or the claims hotline that your insurance company has, and then wait for instructions from the adjuster, and they'll let you know how the process works from there. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions or need help with this, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. Just 1 second. If this video has been helpful and you've got a claim on your house or damage to your home and you want to know what happens next in the process, make sure you check out the video in the link below on how to read your insurance report, and that'll help you continue to understand how the insurance process works. Thank you.